Hi, Mark Fraser with Edwards Garage here in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta. Today I'm going to do a walk-around video of this 2017 Cadillac Escalade. First off, we're going to just walk around and show condition and talk about some features, and then we'll go inside and go over the features of the interior. So first off, it's got that classic Cadillac badging on the front, park assist sensors on the side and bumper. It's got the LED headlights. The previous owner has installed Expel paint protection, so that's actually helped quite a bit on keeping rock chips down. It's got the 22-inch Cadillac rims. It's got the assist steps on the outside. In the mirror they're heated, and it has the lane departure alert, which is a great little safety feature. Condition so far down the side is really good. No dents or major scratches. Coming around to the back, I have the hatch open here. Lots of room in the back of this Escalade. You got a luxury vehicle with lots of great space. So I'm thinking of hockey season. What a great little unit to carry your hockey players around, and space to carry their bags. Also, more park assist sensors on the back. Just coming around the side, it is keyless entry, so it does have the push button start as well, and we'll look at that once we get into the inside. But overall on the outside, it is in good shape for the year. And next, let's go in and check out the interior and the features in there. So I'm inside this 2017 Cadillac Escalade, and I want to go through the features of the interior. There's quite a few, so I'm just going to kind of go over some of the main ones, just so you get an idea of how loaded up with options this vehicle is. So first off, over here on the left, we have a heads-up display, which you won't be able to see from the video, but you can put all kinds of information up there, like speed limits and your radio station and whatnot. Also, it has automatic headlights. Over on the driver's door handle, we can power fold the mirrors, of course, adjust them side to side. Over in the steering wheel here, we got lots of features. We got the heated steering wheel, cruise control is here, your Bluetooth controls, forward collision alert. Over on this side, we have our controls for our digital driver information screen up front. So lots of great information up there, and it's all digital. It's a Cadillac Escalade, so it's luxury. So very cool features there. We have your tow haul mode here, and this will tow pretty close to what a half-ton truck will tow. So it's pretty much built on the chassis of a half-ton truck, and so you can haul some pretty good loads with it. Moving over here to our center console, we have a pedal adjustment here. We have StabiliTrak traction control. Of course, we have our digital touch screen here with all kinds of features like navigation. We can control the climate here. There's settings in there where we can customize the vehicle to our liking. It also has projection, so you can project your cell phone up onto the screen. Moving down into the climate control area, heated and cooled seats. Of course, we can adjust our auto climate control here. Does come with a CD player, kind of obsolete, but if you still have CDs, you can use it here. Off to the side, we have glove box opener, a lane keep assist, those park assist sensors I showed you outside. We have those located up here. Moving up to the top, we have controls to open our rear hatch. We have controls for our sunroof, and also this is our sunroof, so a nice little feature on this vehicle. But overall, the interior is in great shape. One more thing before we go. It does have the rear view camera mirror. So basically, that's a camera at the back that gives a nice crystal clear view of what's behind you. You can also switch it back to a traditional rear view mirror. But Cadillac, they're always ahead of the curve when it comes to technology, and this vehicle has that in it. Next, let's move to the back seat. We'll check out the room back there, features, and the condition. So I'm in the second row of this 2017 Cadillac Escalade. As you can see, it's lots of room to get to the third row between the two seats. Very comfortable seats as well, and the seats are in good condition. So they're also heated as well, so a unique feature to have in the back, but again, it is Cadillac. We have controls for the climate, for the rear climate system, so you can actually control it here. Down below we have some charging ports and a 120 volt plug-in. But overall, it's in good shape. Next, let's go to the rear. We'll just check out that cargo area one more time, and then we'll close out the video. So I'm at the back of this 2017 Escalade. Just want to show you the room that we can create by folding down this this rear set third row of seats. So in total, this will haul 7 people. So it's a people hauler. And then if we're hauling our kids around for hockey, we can just flip them down with some power buttons here, and that creates a lot of space. We can also adjust the ones up front there as well. So you can pop them up, you can drop them down, and look at the room that it creates. So lots of room in this Escalade, and you can haul a lot of people, and it'll get you to that hockey game. So next, let's go up front and close out the video. So there you have it, the 2017 Cadillac Escalade. This is your opportunity to own a luxury vehicle at a much reduced price than you would pay new. It does come with a 6.2 engine. That's a great engine for power and fuel efficiency. But overall, the vehicle's in great shape. If you'd like to know more about this vehicle, feel free to call me, Mark, at 403-845-3328.